DIY Crafts for Adults. My name is Holly and I'm an assistant librarian here at the Elyria Public Library System. Today I will be showing you how to make painted mason jar vases with a lavender design.
Okay.
This DIY adult craft will be available as a kit. So in your kit you're going to get a pre-painted white mason jar as well as white paint, purple paint, and green paint. The only thing you're going to have to supply are the paintbrushes and some creativity. For the lavender, we're going to have to mix some of the colors to get the exact shade that we want. So the lavender itself is a lighter purple than what you're going to be supplied. That way you can customize it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my purple paint, and you can use a plate, a paper plate, whatever you choose to at home, something easy to clean and to throw away. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my white paint to it. There is no exact science to this, it's just a mix until you get a color that you like. You can even leave it where it's a little streaky. It'll give some dimension to your flowers. Okay. To paint your lavender, you might want to go ahead and practice a few times on a piece of paper, but you can easily transfer your practicing over to your jar. All you're going to do is you're going to take your angled brush and you're going to go ahead and just mark up, make one line with it, and then you're going to go in and just make a few little sprigs throughout. They don't have to be symmetrical or even, just do your best. Sometimes the more random looking, the better. You'll then go back and use a thin brush with your lavender, and you'll just go ahead and just dab some on. I'm not looking for a particular shape. I'm just using the bristles of the brush to give it a little bit of definition. Now remember, you don't have to use just lavender. You can make tulips, you can be creative and try different flowers, or even use the colors to make a fun design or pattern. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me for the Spring Adult DIY Craft. Please contact your local branch of the Elyria Public Library System to reserve your kit today. Remember to come back for more virtual presentations on the Elyria Public Library YouTube channel.